Hi ladies and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's having a gorgeous day. Now today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a couple of purchases that I did make, pre-loved and brand new. Now instead of making a haul video, I've decided to show you guys these pieces in single videos so you can pick and choose which video you want to watch, and they won't be as long. All right, so let's start. Now, this is a pre-loved purchase that I did make off of Poshmark. Now, this is the authentic cherry blossom pendant. It's got some beautiful baby pink enamel applied on the inside of the petals, and it is in sterling silver. Now, when I did receive this pendant, it was oxidized. So with a couple of washings, I got it to shine. I can show you guys for an example at the back. But as you can see, it still has some dark spots in the creases, and as well as the bottom of the loop, which is fine. With time and future polishings, it will come back to pretty much brand new. Now, I was very impressed with this little pendant because I honestly didn't expect it to be this size, because I actually never saw this beauty in the stores. When I started going to the stores, this had been retired for a little while. So I was excited and really surprised when I opened the package to find this beauty. It was it's a great size. Now, you did see this piece. I did add it on to my Pandora cherry blossom themed bracelet, which is on my channel. So you might be able to get another closer look at this pendant. Now, the only thing is that this pendant, you can wear it on a chain. You can wear it on the old pendant, and you can wear it on your bracelet. But do be aware that if you do wear it on your bracelet, try to put it between a Murano and a charm, or a Murano and a clip. Just because if you do put it between two Muranos, the Muranos are longer. So this little pendant kind of doesn't really have much room because it is on this little bail. And what happens is that the two Muranos kind of like really trap it on both sides. So it doesn't really have much room to move freely. Okay, so that's just my little tip for this piece. Now I'm going to show you. The markings are on the back, and they are between the petals. And as you can see, if I can get it in focus, because these little pendants are so hard to hold, because I do have chubby fingers, so it can be tricky sometimes. Now, it does say the S with a space and the 925 on one side. And then we do have the ALE on the opposite side. And it's a nice deep stamping. So this piece is authentic. I just think it's super cute, and I love the fact that it's also really oxidized between the little bumps in the center. So if you have a chance, ladies, do get your hands on this beauty. It's absolutely beautiful. It's fantastic to wear while the cherry blossoms are out, if you do have cherry blossom trees around you. And if not, it's really cute. You can actually use it for apple blossoms as well. All right, so like I mentioned, if you do have a chance to get your hands on this beauty, do get it, because I am very impressed. The size is larger than expected, which is always a plus. And it's simply divine. If you like this video, click like. If you wish to subscribe, I would absolutely love it. And if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate. All right, have a great rest of your day.